Hello class, this is Mr. Mail with another video. Today we are working on Edpuzzle, or Edpuzzle as some would call it. This is a pretty useful tool because it allows you to watch videos, but it also keeps you focused and makes sure you're actually comprehending what's in the video instead of just going through, the video and, cheesing it. So what you're going to do is sign up, create an account as a student, create an Edpuzzle account, and then it's going to ask you for a class code. Now this class code will be given to you by me as I'm finding it right now. Give me a second, bear with me. Right here, invite students. This is your code. It's MOIMUDE, and that'll bring you straight to my class. You might have to fill out some information like your name, maybe an email, I'm not sure yet. But what you'll see are 4 assignments. And you're going to have to watch 2 or 3 of them. They are varying in difficulty, well, not difficulty, but level of understanding, I guess. So don't just take the easy ones out. Obviously, try to, because it's going to be harder for you to understand the topics later if you just take the easier ones. So what you're going to do is you're going to watch 2 or 3 of them, and then what's pretty cool about Edpuzzle is one of the things you can do with it is add these questions and voice notes, I guess they're called, into the videos. So the video will pause and you'll be able to ask the students a question or whatever as they're going through. So you'll be watching a video and all of a sudden it'll be like, so what is the shape formula for this shape? Blah blah blah, area formula for this shape or whatever. So that's pretty cool. None of the assignments have a due date, but I will be looking to finish, see who finished 2 or 3. So say you want to go study on your own or do something like that, you can go over here to the content section and you see all these videos trending in math or whatever you want to do. We'll just do math. We'll pick a shorter video. So say in this using protractors video. There's 3 options: edit, watch, and copy. Copy obviously copies the video somewhere for you to do it. See, copy to your content. So if I go back to my content, the video's there. I don't want it though, so we're going to delete it. And so we can also just straight up watch the video, nothing added. Pretty cool. What's really cool is the edit option though. So we go here, and then through edit we can do 4 different unique tools. We have crop video. Say we don't like the whole video, the beginning's not necessary, we go boop, and the end's not quite used as much either, so we shorten it up and we can just use specific parts of the video instead. We can also do a voiceover, which means that the video will still play in the background, but our voice will go over what's going on instead of the normal video audio. So say I want to tell you, instead of having you listen to whoever this is talking, I would go through and I would be like, yeah, this is 140 degrees. You're looking at it, blah blah blah, go through all that. You do have to voice over the whole video though for it to save. This will be easier if you crop it, obviously, but it's just so you can hear your own voice or go over the top of yourself, really, if you want to. You can also add audio notes, which are pretty cool because the video stop and then you can add your own comment to it. So when you watch it later, you can be like, oh, that's right, I remember that, I talked about that. Or just cool little tidbits of information you find, or if you feel like anybody else needs to know or share, add it right there, easy peasy. You just click on this button and then your recording happens right there, boom, and then stop, and you can play it again. This button, see, pretty cool, pretty snazzy. You can also add quizzes. Now quizzes are just questions you can add to the video. It'll pause the video and it'll pop up this question. You can do open-ended questions. So you'll say like, what is a protractor? Save it, and boom, it's right there. But say, that's pretty cool and all, but over here in this part of the video, this is almost 180 degrees, but not quite 180 degrees. So we're going to add a question, or we're going to be like, Multiple choice here. Is this 180 degrees? You know, it's whatever. There's cool different options you get here. This is also an option. I'm pretty sure this is just a text bubble that you can pop up so students can read instead of using voice notes, or other people can read instead of using voice notes. Those are some cool things you can do with Edpuzzle. You will press save at the end instead of just finish. I don't want to do that. We'll just click save, and it'll save it down, and finish, and all that. You do have to watch 2 or 3 of the videos, and then move on to the next part of the assignment. Thank you.